We just made some major updates to the email tracker extension that you're gonna love. Now when you install this extension, you'll have the ability to export your email tracking information into a spreadsheet so that you can have a high-level report of who's opening your emails and who isn't. Here's how to do it. In your inbox, when you click on your Gmail label for tracked emails, you'll now see the option to export them to a Google spreadsheet. I'll click this. My email tracking spreadsheet is now being created in my Google Sheets application. And when it's ready, I'll get an email from cloudHQ indicating that my email export was successful. Now I have a spreadsheet that organizes all of my tracked email information, including how many times each email was opened, if it had a tracked link included, if that tracked link was clicked, the date and time of the first open, the IP address of the recipient, their country, state, and location, their operating system, and that same data for the last time they opened that email. If I click this Link Clicks tab down here, I can see all of the links I've sent out by email, along with what, if any, campaign the link was a part of, how many times each link was sent out total, if it was clicked, how many times it was clicked total, and the click-through rate for each link. If I click the Campaign Engagement tab, I get the advantage of seeing the engagement metrics for every email campaign I've sent out. And if I click the Non-Campaign Email Engagement tab, I can quickly view the engagement metrics for any email I've sent out that wasn't part of a campaign. This spreadsheet will automatically update as I send out more emails, so I can stay on top of my email campaigns and be sure my recipients are always seeing my messages. Another great new feature, you'll now be able to sort your inbox by tracked emails and quickly view only the emails you sent out that were tracked. If I click here on Unopened Emails, my inbox is sorted again and I can easily see the emails I've sent out that have not been opened yet. And if I click on Opened and Awaiting Reply, I can view the emails I've sent that have been opened but not yet replied to, so I know which contacts I should prioritize following up with. You'll also have the ability to sort your inbox by emails awaiting your reply, so you'll never have an email slip through the cracks again. I simply click on my Sorted Received Mail in my Gmail labels and then select Not Replied. Here, I can see my inbox is sorted by emails still needing my attention. I can also click this arrow to see a list of contacts awaiting my reply. And then when I click their name, I can see all of the emails and work through the process of following up. With Free Email Tracker helping me not only track my emails, but also keep my inbox organized and my open rate from my email campaigns automatically updated in a Google Sheets report, I know I'll never miss an opportunity ever again. For more information, visit www.cloudhq.net. CloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.